Hi, I'm Ronald with Impress Computers. Today we're going to be discussing the company that got flooded last week. We were able to get the data recovery done on all of the existing machines. This time we're setting them up with an actual Dell server instead of running off the PC. The advantage of the server is it's going to have two hard drives running on a RAID system with the third one as a spare. So if anything happens to one drive, at least you can recover it. The machines are going to be joined to the domain, so you've got better security levels. And then we're going to set up a backup, so the server gets backed up locally from that to a NAS drive. From the NAS drive, they're going to alternate USB drives, and then we're also going to push that data to the cloud. So if you want to speak to us about your current situation, if you're not sure if you're protected in case of any catastrophic events that happen, come in and speak to us. And if you are unfortunate to experience something like a flood or an electrical surge or something that takes out your machines and you need data recovery done, we can also help you with that as well. Give us a call at 281-647-9977.